an interesting place to stop. You think the least they do is move the car backwards or push it out of the way. I'd ignore the roundabouts, just be careful of the two bollards. Where that black car's going. Just keep a bit of distance. Simply because there was a leak here a few weeks ago, and I'm not sure if they fixed it. Yeah, they have. Okay. Why is there a car in the middle of the road? Wow, that's not going anywhere. The clockwise one. Oh, please tell me that van did not stop while trying to overtake. What the hell? See, that's rear wheel drive. You notice the rear wheel spinning? Roll down the windows and shout.
That man's doing the very sensible thing. Not going up the hill. Is that the hill?
No. Be careful of that van. Good going, Tim.
Sorry?
Good going. Have you driven in snow before?
Yeah.
Andrea, Tim knows what he's doing.
Yeah, I don't care.
And then at that mini roundabout you want to turn left. All the traffic coming from the right is basically the one that got to the hill and can't, the steep one, and can't come over.